Yes, good morning, students. Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss objective questions from chapter tissues. First हम discuss करते हैं blanks. The process by which the cells take up a permanent shape, size, and a function is known as. Yes, roll number 1.
Option A, the process by which the cell take up a permanent shape, size, and a function is called as.
Yes, 9th class. The process by which cells take up permanent shape, size, and function is known as differentiation. Next is dash gives flexibility in plants.
B, dash gives flexibility in plants. Intercalary.
Intercalary? No. Dash
Must.
gives flexibility in plants. Answer is Parenchyma. This roll number 2. Husk of coconut is made of dash tissue.
Husk of coconut is made up of sclerenchyma tissue.
Husk of coconut is made of
Sclerenchyma tissue.
dash have guard cells.
Dash have guard cells. Stomata have guard cells.
Answer is
Stomata.
very good. Then row number 3. Apical meristem is present at the growing tip of stems and root and increases the dash of stem and the root.
Apical meristem is present at the growing tips of stems and root and increases the height of the stem and the root.
Increases the length of stem and root. Very good, bache. Next, the dash meristem helps to increase girth of the stem or root.
The apical meristem helps to increase the girth of the stem and root.
No, wrong answer. It's not apical meristem. Yes, row number 3. What is right answer?
Lateral meristem.
Good.
Thank you.
Next, row number 4. The cells of cork contain a chemical known as.
Subrine.
Cells of cork contain a chemical known as subrine. Very good. 2 kidney-shaped cells known as dash cell enclose the stomata. Yes, row number 4.
2 kidney-shaped cells called guard cells in
Answer is
stomata.
very good. Dash parenchyma stores food. Roll number 5. Parneet Kaur. Dash parenchyma store food. The lining of mouth is covered with dash epithelium.
The lining of the mouth is covered with squamous epithelium.
Is covered with the dash epithelium is formed when the epithelial tissue folds inward and form a multicellular gland.
The glandular epithelium is formed when the epithelial tissue folds inward and form a multicellular gland.
Very good. Next answer भी आप ही करेंगे. The collenchyma is dash tissue present in plant which provides flexibility in plants.
Collenchyma is a meristematic tissue which is present in plants.
Collenchyma is permanent, simple permanent tissue. Collenchyma is a simple permanent tissue present in plants which provides flexibility in plants. Then the next. Roll number 31. Yes, read कीजिए.
Large air cavities present in parenchyma of aquatic plants give buoyancy to the plants to help them float.
Correct answer is.
Buoyancy.
Next is
Blood
blood has liquid matrix known as dash, in which red blood cells and white blood cells are suspended.
Blood has a fluid liquid matrix called plasma in which red blood cells, white blood cells are suspended.
Answer क्या है? Plasma. Very good बच्चे. Next turn. Roll number 39. Heart muscles cells are cylindrical, dash and uninucleated.
Heart muscle cells are cylindrical, unbranched and unnucleated.
Unbranched? No.
Branched.
Yes. Heart muscle cells are cylindrical.
Branched and uninucleated.
What do you mean by uninucleated? Bone cells are embedded in a hard matrix that is composed of dash and dash compounds.
Bone cells are embedded in a hard matrix that is composed of phosphorus and calcium compounds.
Right. Phosphorus and
Calcium compounds.
tendon is a connective tissue which connects dash to bones.
Tendon is a connective tissue which connects muscles to bones.
Tendon is a connective tissue that connects muscles to bones. Very good. Next, turn Guneet Singh. The connective tissue found between skin and muscles around the blood vessels and nerve and in the bone marrow is known as dash tissue.
The connective tissue found between the skin and muscles around the blood vessels and nerves and in the bone marrow is called as adipose tissue.
No. Is known as the cells of dash muscular tissue are long, cylindrical, unbranched and multinucleated.
The cells of
long, cylindrical, unbranched and multinucleated. Answer is or it is also known as skeletal muscles. Yes, Sunit, answer repeat कीजिए. The cells of
striated
are
are
long,
long, cylindrical, unbranched and multinucleated.
next from है multiple choice question. Bone matrix is rich in first option given है fluoride and calcium, second option calcium and phosphorus, third calcium and potassium, और last option given है phosphorus and potassium.
Bone matrix is rich in calcium and phosphorus.
Bone matrix is rich in calcium and phosphorus. Contractile proteins are found in first option bones, second blood, third muscles, last option cartilage.
Contractile proteins are found in muscles.
Contractile proteins are found in muscles.
Voluntary muscles are found in
Voluntary muscles are found in first option alimentary canal, second limbs, third iris of eyes, then lungs.
voluntary muscles are found in limbs. Voluntary muscles are found in limbs.
Answer is limbs. Good. Next, Anamika. Nervous tissue is not found in first option brain, then spinal cord, third tendon, fourth nerves.
Nerve tissue is not found in tendons.
Nerve tissue is not found in nerve cell not contain first axon, nerve ending, tendons, dendrite.
Nerve cell does not contain tendons.
Right option is रवनूर कौर. अब आपकी टर्न है. Which of the given helps in repair of tissue and fills up the space inside the organ? First option tendon, second adipose, third areolas, and last option given as cartilage.
Areolar tissue helps in repair of tissues and fill up space inside the organs.
Correct option कौन सी है? Option number
C. Areolar.
that is
Areolar.
next. Muscular tissue function throughout the life, that is skeletal muscles, cardiac muscles, smooth muscle, voluntary muscles.
The muscular tissue which function throughout life continuously without fatigue is cardiac muscle.
Correct option is next. Friends, आप आ जाइए. Which of the given cells is found in cartilage tissue of the body?
Which of the following cells is found in the cartilaginous tissue of the body? Mast
First option
cells.
क्या given है?
A. Mast cells. B. Basophils. C. Astrocytes. C. Chondrocytes. D. Chondrocytes.
Correct option is next is cork cells are made impervious to water and gases by the presence of cellulose, lipid, suberin, or last option given है lignin.
Cork cells are made impervious to water and gases by the presence of cellulose, lipids, suberin, and lignin.
No.
Suberin.
Correct option is option number
Suberin.
next is next Shikha. Yes, Shikha, read कीजिए.
Find out incorrect sentence. Parenchymatic tissue have intercellular spaces. Colon-chymatic tissue has irregularly thickened at corners. Apical and intercalary meristems are permanent tissues. Meristematic tissues in its early stage lack vacuoles.
Incorrect बतानी है आपने statement. Parenchymatous tissue have intercellular spaces. Second given है colon-chyma tissue are irregularly thickened at the corner. Third, apical and intercalary meristems are permanent tissue. And last is meristematic tissue in early stage lack vacuole. Yes, beta. No. अच्छा बेटा आप बताइए correct option.
The correct option is C. Apical and intercalary meristems are permanent tissue.
Very good. Correct option is apical and intercalary meristems are permanent tissues. Next is yes, read कीजिए.
In desert plants, rate of water loss gets reduced due to the presence of A. cuticle, B. stomata, C. Lignin, D. Subrin. And the correct option is A. Cuticle.
Very good. Next,
Intestine absorbs the digested food materials. What type of epithelial cells are responsible for that? A. Option A. Stratified squamous epithelium. Option B. Columnar epithelium. C. Spindle fibers. D. Cuboidal epithelium.
correct option.
The correct option is C. Spindle fibers.
No. Yes, correct option is B. That is correct option is yes, Pragya. Read कीजिए.
Which muscles act involuntarily? First, straighted muscles. Second, smooth muscles. Third, cardiac muscles. Fourth, skeletal muscle.
Option first given है 1 and 2. That is straighted and smooth muscles. Second option given है smooth and cardiac muscles. Then C option cardiac and skeletal. Last option given है straighted and skeletal muscles. Yes, correct option is. Yes, correct option is. Which option is
Straighted and skeletal muscle.
straighted and skeletal muscle? Voluntary or involuntary? And the correct option is
Which muscles act involuntarily? Straighted muscles, smooth muscles, cardiac muscles, skeletal muscles. First option, first and second. B option, second and third. C option, third and fourth. D option, first and fourth. The correct option is B, second and third. Smooth muscles and cardiac muscles.
next is Dikshan. Read कीजिए बेटा next multiple choice. Next बेटा.
Girth of stem increases due to option A apical meristem, option B lateral meristem, option C intercalary meristem, option D vertical meristem. And the answer is girth of stem increases due to intercalary meristem, apical meristem.
सारी ऑप्शन बोल दो. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज contractile proteins are found in bones, blood, muscles, cartilage.
Contractile proteins are found in
Yes. Next, Pragya. Pragya, read कीजिए.
The cells of skeletal muscular tissue are cylindrical, unbranched and multinucleate. Second, cylindrical, branch and multinucleate. Third, cylindrical, unbranched and uninucleate. Fourth, round, unbranched and multinucleate. And the answer is
Cells of skeletal muscular tissue are. First option given as cylindrical, unbranched and multinucleate. Second option given as cylindrical, branched, multinucleated. Third, cylindrical, unbranched, uninucleated. Last option given as round, unbranched, multinucleated.
cylindrical, unbranched and multinucleate.
कौन सी option correct option?
First option.
Yes. The cells of skeletal muscular tissue are cylindrical. Yes, Pragya.
Name the three parts of neuron. Axon, nerve ending, dendrites.
Three parts of neuron: cell body, Somebody? Next, हाँ जी बेटा रीड कीजिए पर
Name the small gap between synaptic cope of terminal branch of axon of one neuron and the dendrites of the other neuron. The answer is synapses.
very good.
Name the muscles of heart, cardiac muscles.
Cardiac muscles. Very good. बच्चे. Next, Bhagirat. Name 3 types of simple permanent tissue. 3 types of simple permanent tissues.
3 types of simple permanent tissues are stemless
Simple permanent tissue बच्चे.
parenchyma,
Very good. Parenchyma आगे.
sclerenchyma,
Hmm.
and parenchyma.
First is parenchyma. Name the component of xylem. Yes, Bhagirat.
The component of xylem is
कितने components होते हैं? Yes, बेटा आप आंसर कीजिए. Components of xylem.
components of xylem are tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma, and xylem fibers.
Very good. Next question is, name the muscular tissue that function throughout the life. Yes, Nikshant, roll number 43.
Name the Name the muscular tissue that functions throughout life without
Mhm.
that.
Answer is muscular tissue that functions throughout life. Yes, 9th class answer is cardiac. Answer is cardiac.
Which animal tissue?
Next is which animal tissue connects muscles to bone? Yes, Dikshan.
Which animal tissue connects muscles to bone? Cut.
Ligament? No.
Cartilage.
Cartilage? No. Yes, Siddhima. Which animal tissue connects muscles to bone?
Animal tissues which connects muscle to bone is tendon.
Is Dikshan. Which tissue is known as loose connective tissue? Which tissue is known as loose connective tissue? Shikha.
Which tissue is called loose connective tissue? And the answer is areolar connective tissue.
Which tissue is loose connective tissue? Areolar connective tissue. Next, sir, Mandeep Singh. Name the fat storing tissue in the body.
The fat storing adipose. Name the fat storing tissue in our body. Adipose.
Answer is adipose. Next is what is lignin?
What is lignin? A chemical substance. A chemical substance which act like cement and hardens the walls.
Next, student. Which tissue in plants provide them flexibility?
Which tissue in plants provide them flexibility?
Answer is
Meristematic tissues.
No.
Answer is
wrong answer. Meristematic tissue answer नहीं है.
correct answer is parenchyma.
No parenchyma.
Which tissue in plants provides some flexibility? Collenchyma.
Answer is collenchyma.
Which animal tissue help in repair of tissues and fill the space inside the organs? Areolar connective tissue.
Answer is next, Pragya ji. What is the composition of cartilage matrix? Composition of cartilage matrix. Yes, Pragya. Okay, next student.
Composition of cartilage matrix is phosphorus and calcium,
No, वो तो bone matrix है.
proteins and sugar.
Proteins and
Name the tissue.
name the tissue responsible for growth in plants. Yes, बच्चे.
Name the tissue responsible for growth in plants. Meristematic tissue.
Very good. Meristematic tissue. Next student. Puneet Singh. Name 3 types of meristematic tissue.
Name the 3 types of meristematic tissue. Parenchyma, collenchyma.
Meristematic tissue, Puneet. Three types of meristematic tissue. Yes, next.
Name the 3 types of meristematic tissues: apical meristematic tissues, lateral meristematic tissues, and intercalary meristematic tissues.
Right. Anji Puneet, repeat कीजिए.
Apical meristematic tissue, lateral meristematic tissue, and intercalary meristematic tissues.
Good. Which animal tissue connects bone to another bone?
Which animal tissue connects bone to bone? And answer is ligament.
Answer is ligament. Very good, Puneet.